Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cooking Time with Daniela. It's me again, Daniela Ubuki. So we are cooking an egusi this time. We already have one egusi, but this type we have, the type I'm doing now is grandma style. We just add a little bit to this. Okay, so yeah. The stove is on, and then you just keep frying it, roasting it, and then you roast. I don't know if any one of you understand this one, and this is how my grandma used to do her egusi. That's very long time ago. I know this generation may not remember or even know this one because nobody do egusi like this these days. So when you fry the egusi, this is how they will look like. Yeah, so I am done now. I will grind it now. See the egusi. That's how after roasting it. So I am frying grinding it from here. It cannot smooth here because this blending machine need water to grind, and I don't want to grind it with water. So see what I'm doing. I grind it here, then turn it here, and Oga will take some here and I put them here. Then start grinding it here. Yeah. So this is how. So this one work for instance, it will not continue because it needs water to. Yeah, so it stopped. This at this point, this one stop. What I just do is just to remove it. Remove it. You can see it's not that too smooth. So yeah, Baba will use his own. Use this small one to finish it. We're not using it's okay, don't let it too much. If it's too much, it won't work too. Yeah, so that's what we'll be doing now. See the one we grind so far. This one is smooth. So this is how the egusi will look like when you grind it. Not as usual, it will be kind of milk color. But when you roast it, you have that kind of egusi smell, and then it will still also look like this. Yeah, so this is what how I will do continue until I grind all of them finish. Yeah, this one is okay now. Okay, this is the meat I will be using to cook my Christmas egusi soup. I boil it, the goat and beef already, and then we only use a salt, maggi, and sorry I didn't show you how I boil it, but it's just the usual side. If you'll be watching our video, it's the same way. We didn't change any. We'll be using this both meats to cook egusi and bitter leaf soup. So we are not showing you the bitter leaf soup because we already have a black soup on the our video there. So yeah, it's the same way. I just boil it, the goat meat and beef meat. So yeah, you'll be seeing more of the egusi soup. Yeah, so I just share the both now. This is the one I want here and the one I want for that side. Yeah, washing this frozen bitter leaf. I'm very good. I like I usually buy freezing bitter leaf because we don't have too much of fresh one all the time here. The frozen bitter leaf I'll be buying, no one really that bitter as this one. This one is really bitter. So this is the third time I'm actually washing it. So I see her add salt like this to wash it, and this is the third time and it still have this kind of foam. That simply show you how bitter the bitter leaf was. Yeah, but I like it like that. At least you know that you are eating bitter leaf, not some other awolowo they add inside. So this is how to wash bitter leaf, and then I add salt on my own because I don't want to use more chemical or something else to wash it. So I will just continue on doing the same thing until when I wash it once and rinse it, I will check it again if it's still that bitter till it reach how I want it. I put it on the filter now and then just press the water out. You can still see the foam inside. Yeah. And I will check it again if it's still bitter how I want it. If it's still bitter, I'll continue washing same way, but if it's not bitter, then I stop. Still bitter, still need to. Still bitter, still need to wash it. Why this one need oil? I remember my mom used to use oil wash, but I don't even remember how she used oil wash it that time. But yeah, I will stick it with the salt one. Keep washing, maybe 100 times. Until it clean. I don't buy. Naturally, really bitter leaf. Wow. I am going to cook egusi soup. So this is snail and chicken. I'll just add a maggi, thyme, curry, and this bay leaf to cook it, and little salt. So I will be using goat meat as well to cook goat meat and beef meat. This is the fish I will be using to cook the egusi soup. Yeah, so I'm roasting it here. It's going all well though. Yeah, just like fire one, but this one is electric oven. That's the difference. And it go well. This is the oil I extract from the bitter leaf soup I cook from the banga and the oil. I do not want to use too much of oil on this particular soup, so I'm taking for this one is not that too red from that one. So all the meat are inside. I will be putting the bitter leaf. This one is bitter leaf. Among the one I washed today, if you check the other soup we have with me. This one is pumpkin, just little one. I don't have so much for the pumpkin, so I just use small one. And this little oil I have left over from previous video. So we need another small oil. So maybe this one. I will be adding a egusi now. The, that's locust beans. I add locust beans and ground crayfish. So this is what happens when you fried egusi. And you fry egusi before grinding. Grandma style. It looks so delicious. Wow. I'll just leave it for like a few minutes. I'll put it on low. Then I'll come back and take it out.